I really need a haircut. But unlike these guys, I'm not willing to die from COVID-19 just to get one. So today, I'm gonna do it myself with the Remington Shortcut Pro. Stick around to see how it turns out. PickyDaddy. Hey, this is Rob the Picky Daddy, back with another review of the best stuff to waste your money on. Before we get into it though, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because as a YouTuber, I'm legally obligated to tell you to do that. You know, in normal times, when my hair gets unwieldy like this, I think nothing about going down to local Great Clips and spending 20 minutes trying really hard to avoid useless small talk with my stylist. But these are not normal times, and left unattended, this hair will just grow and grow and grow until it reaches meme level status. Now, I do have a regular set of clippers like this, but it can be quite difficult trying to do your whole head by yourself. And I can't always ask my wife to do it for me, no matter how much I try to bribe her with a new puppy. So after shopping around a bit on Amazon, I found this, the Remington Shortcut Pro. Now, this is the first time I'm going to be using this right on this video, so I have no idea how it's going to turn out. But at least if it sucks, I've got no place to go, right? Taking a closer look at the Shortcut Pro, you can see that it's ergonomically designed to fit nicely in your hand. So hopefully trimming your entire head should be done with ease. It comes with a wide array of attachments similar to what you would expect from traditional clippers. Now, I really like these guard attachments because they have both the size and the grade number on them, which is great because when I get a haircut, I always ask for a number 3 on the top and a 4 on the sides, and I have no idea what that means in terms of inches or millimeters. Not all the attachments have corresponding grade numbers though, like this one, which means that they have ones that are actually kind of in between sizes, which is also good for kind of finer control. You also get this stylish carrying case, a cleaning brush, and some lubricating oil to use during the cleaning process. It has a rechargeable lithium battery, and the manual says you should let it charge for at least 4 hours after taking it out of the box. It does come with some power out of the box, but trust me, fully charge it first until you get a solid blue light like this. The last thing you want is for this thing to die right in the middle of your haircut and end up walking around like this. Alright, so it's time to cut some hair. The Shortcut Pro is fully charged. I'm going to go ahead and put the number 3 guard on here. The attachments go on pretty easy here. You just kind of line up that until it clicks, and then we're ready to go. Alright, so this is cut with a 3, and I actually like my hair a little bit shorter than this, so I'm going to swap the 3 out with the number 1 blade and see how that works. Well, the length on the top here is the way I like it, but I still have to figure out how to get the back hair because I've got a freaking mullet going on here, and that's just not what I want. So it comes with this instruction guide on how to actually cut your hair, which I probably should have, looked at first here. And they specifically say here for clipping the back of the head, see figure 2. This is figure 2, It's kind of hard to see that, but we're going to go ahead and figure out how to do this. Well, at least from the front, I could go out in public. I have no idea what the back looks like. I'm going to have to stop the video, kind of try to hold the camera up to the back of my head, see what spots I'm missing. So, be right back. Okay, so yeah, I think I still got more work to do. I think I made a big bald spot back there. All right, let's see if we can fix this. Okay, I think we're done. I'm gonna go downstairs and ask my wife if I'm done, if she's not gonna freak out, and then we'll finish up. Okay, well, my wife didn't run out of the house screaming, so I guess that was a good sign. Actually, she said the back wasn't too bad. Just had to do a little bit more back here, and that was about it. So, you know, my impressions, you know, it felt really good in my hand. It was a lot easier to work with than the regular clippers. You know, doing the back was a little tough, obviously, because you can't really see, obviously. But, you know, once we got the hang of it, you know, I think it worked out pretty good. And the best part is you don't have to make any annoying small talk with your stylist, unless you like to talk to yourself, in which case, knock yourself out. I got the Remington Shortcut Pro on Amazon for $50. There's a link in the video description right now, so you can go ahead and check it out. I will caution you, though, that it is sometimes out of stock, and also you should be aware that there are a ton of Chinese knockoffs that look exactly like it, like this, that cost like $9. And trust me, do not get one of these Chinese knockoffs for $9, because if you do, it will break. It's made of cheap plastic. You will get a haircut that looks like you used a Chinese knockoff. So that's about it. I need to go clean up the mess in the bathroom before my wife yells at me. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out PickyDaddy.com for even more reviews of stuff we don't do videos for. So until then, this is Rob the Picky Daddy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
PickyDaddy.